Hello student, welcome to all of you in my chemistry class. I am Mr. Sunil Kumar. Today we will discuss about the halogen derivatives. In the last class, we studied about the general intro about the halogen derivative. Or now in this class, we will study about the nomenclature and classification of the halogen derivative. In this class, most important. So be continue with us. Now we will discuss the last class general intro. In last class we study about halogen derivative. Halogen derivative is formed through the hydrogen displacement through the halogen from the hydrocarbon, then form halogen derivative. Means to say halogen react with hydrocarbon, so then hydrogen replace hydrogen and attach with carbon like this and form halogen derivative. In this form, halogen may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine like 17 polar element of the modern periodic table. In this compound, halogen derivative may be hydrocarbon. Then hydrocarbon may be two types. One is alkyl halide, alkyl, and second is aryl. Alkyl, if react with halogen, then form alkyl halide, and aryl, if react with halogen, then form aryl halide. So, alkyl halide and aryl halide most commonly two halogen derivatives. Alkyl halide and aryl halide may contain any type of carbonic sequence and halogen any type. After that, we discuss about the classification of the alkyl halide and aryl halide on the basis of two types. First is on the basis of halogen atoms and second is on the basis of carbon atom which is attached to halogen atom, means to say CH bond carbon hybridization on the basis. First is on the basis of halogen atom. Halogen atom basis classification according three types of halogen derivative. First is monohalogen derivative, second is dihalogen derivative, and third is trihalo derivative. Monohalo derivatives, in this derivative one halogen is attached with hydrocarbon, so called as monohalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivative, according to its naming, dihalogen derivative contains two halogen atoms and trihalogen derivative contains three trihalogen atoms. Dihalogen derivatives contain three types like this. First is geminal dihalide. Other name is alkylidine halide, geminal या alkylidine halide. Second is vicinal or alkylene dihalide. Then dihalogen derivative, first is gem dihalide, second vicinal dihalide, and third is alpha omega dihalide. Means to say gem dihalide when carbon contain two halogen atom on one situation, then called as gem dihalide, and other is vicinal dihalide. In vicinal dihalide, halogen atom attached with near carbons like carbon, here halogen and here halogen. So vicinal dihalide type is like this. And third is alpha omega dihalide. Alpha omega dihalide contain three carbon atoms and first and third carbon atom attached with halogen atom, so dihalogen compound and three carbon atom called as alpha omega dihalide. After that, we discuss second type of the classification, halogen derivative. There are three types of halogen derivative on the basis of carbon nature in CH bond. In carbon nature of CH bond, so we discuss about the carbon hybridization, and carbon hybridization have maybe three types in halogen derivative. First is carbon may be sp3 hybridized, second is halogen attached carbon may be sp2 hybridized, and third is halogen attached carbon may be sp hybridized. sp3, sp2 and sp hybridized halogen derivative. All these derivative have different type of nature, chemical properties. Reason is this carbon atom hybridization. So there are three types. First is sp3CH bonded, second is sp2CH bonded, and third is sp-CH bonded. sp3CH bonded carbon always have only single bond. Single bond attached carbon means to say carbon always contains single bond. So single bond present in sp3CH bonded carbon and double bond present in sp2CH carbon means to say halogen attached carbon will have one double bond, and third is sp-CH bonded in which halogen attached carbon have triple bond. So now sp3CH bonded halogen derivative is three types, commonly three types. First is alkyl halide, second is allylic halide, and third is benzylic halide. Alkyl halide, allylic halide, and benzylic halide. In which alkyl halide have three types. Alkyl halide means to say alkyl group are attached with halogen. Are alkyl attached with halogen. Like this CH3 attached with X. This type of compound comes in alkyl halide. Alkyl halide type is three types. Mainly, first is primary, second is secondary, and third is tertiary. So then primary, secondary, tertiary also called as 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. In 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree, but we can understand like this: carbon attached with halogen, and opposite valency, one valency attached with alkyl group. Alkyl group means to say other carbonic sequence. Then carbon attached with halogen and side attached with another carbonic sequence alkyl group. Then one alkyl group present with carbon called as primary alkyl halide, and second is secondary alkyl halide, in which carbon attached with halogen and two other valencies attached with two alkyl groups called as 2 degree alkyl halide, and third is 3 degree alkyl halide. In 3 degree alkyl halide, carbon attached with halogen and other three valencies attached with halogen called as tertiary 3 degree alkyl halide. Second type is allylic halide. Allylic halide, which carbon contain carbon double bond carbon attached with other carbon double bond carbon attached with third carbon या other carbon, or other carbon attached with halogen, then halogen attached carbon called as allylic halide. Means to say carbon double bond carbon attached with another carbon or carbon attached with halogen. So halogen attached carbon called as allylic halide. Third type is benzylic halide. Benzylic halide, like this benzylic halide. In benzylic halide, we can say that benzene contains group, and benzene on the benzene one halogen atom present called as benzylic halide. Allylic halide means to say carbon double bond carbon or attached with another carbon. This carbon have sp3 hybridization and attached with halogen. Then this type of compound called as allylic halide. Primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary halide, halogen attached with carbon, and carbon other three valencies single bonded, in which one valency is covered by alkyl group called as 1 degree. If two valencies are covered by alkyl group called as 2 degree, and yet if halogen attached carbon have three alkyl group, then called as 3 degree tertiary alkyl halide. So we confirm that in this compound carbon is sp3 hybridized, halogen attached carbon is sp3 hybridized. How? So we can see that there are three sigma bonds. sorry, there are 4 sigma bonds and there is no lone pair of electron, so hybridization will be sigma plus lone pair of electron. So sigma plus lone pair of electron, according here sigma bond is 4, so 4 plus lone pair is 0, then comes 4, means to say one is s orbital and 3 is p orbital, then hybridization will be sp3. So alkyl halide carbon have single bonded and hybridization have sp3. Like this second type is sp2cx. In sp2cx halogen derivative there are 2 types, one is aryl halide and second is vinylic halide. Aryl halide and vinylic halide. Aryl halide that have double bond, halide attached with that carbon which have double bond, then this carbon have sp2 hybridization. This carbon have sp2 hybridization. How? Then we can see that there are 3 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair of electron, then total comes 3, and next to say hybridization will be sp2, one s orbital and 2 p orbitals. After that vinylic halide. In vinylic halide we can see that this vinylic halide have allylic halide. This sequence called as vinylic halide. Vinylic halide means to say carbon double bond carbon or attached with halogen, called as vinylic halide. Carbon double bond carbon attached with vinylic halide, called as carbon attached with carbon with halogen, called as vinylic halide. In aryl halide there may be benzene and benzene directly attached with halogen. This called as aryl halide, this called as vinylic halide, this called as vinylic halide. So vinylic halide halogen attached carbon have double bond, halogen attached carbon have double bond. Vinylic halide, and in this aryl halide halogen attached carbon have double bond and have benzene, then called as sp2cx aryl type halogen derivative. After that third type is sp2cx bonded halogen derivative. In this halogen derivative X attached carbon have triple bond, means to say triple bond will be present. Triple bond will be present in a carbonic sequence like this. Triple bond attached carbon have halogen, called as sp2cx bonded. For compound formation we can write here hydrogen to fulfill the valency. So this type of a compound called as sp2cx bonded. After that, this classification we will discuss after then this class full, and now we will discuss about the nomenclature. In the nomenclature there are 2 types of nomenclature we will discuss. We can discuss for halogen derivatives. First is common naming and second is IUPAC naming. Common naming means to say simple naming that is related to their origin and other factors called as common naming. And second is IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming is according to IUPAC. IUPAC. So here we discuss alkyl halide and aryl halide naming. Then first is alkyl halide. For alkyl halide, common naming and IUPAC naming. So common naming will be alkyl halide. Common naming we will write common naming of alkyl halide like this, alkyl halide. And second is nomenclature according to IUPAC naming, and IUPAC naming according nomenclature will be haloalkane, right? Like haloalkane. So First is alkyl halide, common naming, and haloalkane, IUPAC naming. So our chapter name is alkyl halide and aryl halide. So alkyl halide and aryl halide is common naming. Other, if we write haloalkane, that is IUPAC naming. Like example, like CH3Cl. CH3 formed through the CH4 hydrocarbon, which is called as methane. Methane, one hydrogen replaced by chlorine, then form chloromethyl chloride, then form this type of formula. Its common name is methyl chloride, like according alkyl halide. Alkyl halide according क्या हो जाएगा? Methyl chloride. For one carbon methyl and chlorine present and called as methyl chloride. After that, IUPAC naming, in IUPAC naming, chloride first we write halogen. So halogen comes like chloro, and second for methyl we can write methane. So IUPAC naming for methyl chloride will be chloromethane. Chloromethane is IUPAC naming and common naming is methyl chloride. And second is aryl halide. For aryl halide, common naming and IUPAC naming, common naming and IUPAC naming both are same. We write aryl halide, common naming and IUPAC naming only one type, which is haloaryl. We write like this, haloaryl. For example, benzene attached with chlorine, then we can say that this is chlorobenzene. In IUPAC naming chlorobenzene, in common naming chlorobenzene. In both naming will be chlorobenzene. Other example we will discuss in another class, and classification in full description we will discuss in another class in after second class. So best of luck. Thank you. Students that no subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and like and share with your friends, relatives, so that many students can get knowledge and quality class of our platform. Thank you so much. Thank you.